Tired of those stubborn fine lines and wrinkles? Hi, I'm Alan Warnitz, a nutrition expert dedicated to helping individuals restore their health through nutrition and supplements. Today, I want to introduce you to a remarkable compound that can transform your skin health, GHK-Cu, so it's copper peptide. The GHK-Cu copper peptide, or glycyl, histidyl, and lysine with copper, is a naturally occurring peptide with remarkable benefits for skin health. Let's delve into how it can transform your skin. As we age, our skin's collagen production decreases, leading to the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. Copper peptide, GHK-Cu, has been shown to promote collagen synthesis, effectively combating these signs of aging. By enhancing collagen production, copper peptide improves skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In addition to promoting collagen production, GHK-Cu copper peptide has been shown to reduce wrinkle depth, leading to smoother skin. Clinical studies have confirmed its efficacy in improving the appearance of aging skin. It diminishes the appearance of fine lines. It reduces wrinkle depth for smoother skin. It promotes collagen production for lasting results. Incorporating copper peptide GHK-Cu into your skincare routine can be as simple as applying a serum or cream containing this peptide. Consistent use can lead to noticeable improvements in skin health. If you're interested in turning back the clock on your skin, I invite you to subscribe to our channel for more tips on nutrition and skincare. Additionally, I offer a free 30-minute health consultation via Zoom. Click the link in the description to book your session today, and let's work together to elevate your skin's health and achieve the radiant complexion you deserve.